Hello, my friend. I did a thing. I did a thing, and I'm very excited, and I'm gonna share it with you right now. Okay. So, all right, you guys, if you've been watching the channel for a while, or even if you're brand new to the channel, you probably have seen me using Sigma brushes, talking about Sigma brushes, talking about Sigma products, and how much I love them. And I did a thing with Sigma. And you know, when they reached out to me and they asked me to do a set with them, I was very intimidated because people like Angela Bright and Robert Welsh and Jamie French and, you know, Taylor from Taylor Wynn, they have done sets with Sigma and so many other people. And they are so incredibly talented. And I was a little intimidated. I was like, what, wait, you want me, like regular, you know, mom in her basement to like do a thing with you? And they were serious. And I was like, okay, let's do this. And I'm just really excited because I feel like there are a lot of people that are really good with makeup, a lot of people that are really good at just grabbing any old brush and making a makeup look incredible. I am not that person. So what I wanted to do when Sigma reached out to me was I wanted to create a collection of brushes and an eyeshadow palette that really would help people like me who are not fabulous at doing these Instagram looks. Back when I started my channel, I used to get a lot of critiques about how my makeup looks were just not up to par with everybody else doing YouTube. And I feel like I've gotten a lot better over the years. I had a very big aha moment about a year ago where I can't remember, I think it was my Flower Beauty video, and I can't count the number of people that told me, Jen, your issue with makeup is your brushes are too big. You're using brushes that you can't get the detail that you want. So that was what I worked with Sigma to create for you, was I picked my favorite brushes to help you amp up your look to the next level, to go from basic to amazing, to get a little bit closer to that Instagram fab. So I created this. These are my Sigma eye brushes. These are all of my Sigma eye brushes. So I chose out of all of these, which are the brushes that I use the most? Which are the ones that truly help me to make my look be better than it used to be? So these are the ones that I chose, and I'm so excited. This is the thing, okay? This is the E33 brush. This is the one that the owner of Sigma sent to me after that Flower Beauty video where the look was just way too blown out. She's like, I got something for you. And it was the first time I ever used this brush, and I have not gone back. The thing about this is usually I would use a big fluffy brush like this, the E40, but this helps you target that blending. And I'm gonna show you in the demo of how I got this look today, how this brush does that. And then I put the E27 in as well. And the purpose of this is to get color up into your crease and blend it out into your crease so that you can get that depth to really make your eyes pop. And then you blend it with this one. Super fab. And the other thing I had to put in here, which I've actually been doing this for a while, but people ask me all the time about using eyeshadow on the lower lash line as eyeliner. So I included a little angle brush. This is their E65, and this is perfect for taking eyeshadow and using it as lower lash line liner, or I used it today as well for upper lash line liner. If you open up the possibility of using your eyeshadow as eyeliner, you open up a whole new freaking world of the things you can do with your makeup. So along with that, I asked them if I could include an eyeshadow palette, because I do feel like Sigma's eyeshadow formula has come so far and it is just so good now. It really truly is. So right when we were developing this, it was right when their Untamed palette came out, and I loved it so much. It was like way up in my favorites and fails countdown, and I loved it. So we're including that in the set as well. So as we're going through trying to pick the brushes, I was like, kind of feel like I really want like a small flat shader brush, because in my routine, I always use their E55, but I really wanted something a little smaller. And they were like, Jen, this Untamed palette comes with a little brush like that. I was like, oh yeah, I forgot. And there's one thing that's really cool about Sigma palettes is like, usually when you get an eyeshadow palette, the eyeshadow brush that comes with it is just a piece of junk that they just throw in, and it's not really good. Not with Sigma, that's not what they do. They actually put their real brushes, like the brushes they sell for way more expensive, they put a dual-ended brush inside the palette. This is the E54 brush, and you can see that compared to this one that was like my go-to for packing a color on the lid. You can see you can really get more detailed with this. And then you get a third size of a fluffy brush. I feel like a lot of people have a big fluffy brush like this, so I didn't want to put that in. So you get this fluffy brush, you get this fluffy brush, you get this to put into your crease, and then you get this one to really detail your lid. And then of course this one for the lower lash line. So all in all, you get 5 brushes all together and the eyeshadow palette. This is the brand new one. Mine that's used is the one you'll see in the demo. But what I love about this is a very good complementary palette that can complement tons of palettes that you own. What you're gonna see in the demo is I use their new Ambiance palette as if this was just, you know, my regular everyday go-to palette, which it's becoming. And I use this to just bring it up to the next level. There's just so many options in this palette. You can go cool tone with the blues and the purples, or you can go warm with the burgundies. You've got a really great black in here. The greens are gorgeous. You've got this really nice taupe in here. I mean, it's a beautiful, beautiful palette that you can really pair with so much that you already own, even just taking one shadow out. A couple of weeks ago on live, if you were there, do you remember we were talking about the trend of the bright blue eyeliner is huge for 2021? You can use this blue to do that blue eyeliner trend. It is perfect for that. I'm going to show you that. Let me just, you know what? I'm just going to shut up. I'm going to show you the demo. So the first beginning part of the look is kind of me using this the way I would have done my makeup before I amped it up, and then we're going to amp it up with my set. So let me just get into that right now.
Feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me
They are giving this to you. It's a $95 value for $64.80. The palette by itself is $49. So if you put this together with one brush, you're essentially getting 2 brushes for free. Or if you flip it around, you're getting this for like 20 bucks. My friends, this is just so surreal for me. And to be able to create something from my heart that really truly helps me to bring my looks to the next level so that you can have it all together in one set just brings me so much joy. And I am just so thankful to Sigma for allowing me to create this. It was just such a fun process, and the people over at Sigma are just wonderful people, so easy to work with, and I'm just really, really thankful. So you may be wondering when this launches. It launches today. It launches like now. So I will link in the video description the direct link to purchase if you would like. And I'm just over the moon excited about this, and I hope that you are too. And yeah, that's my launch video for my Sigma favorite set. I can't believe I'm actually saying that out loud. Okay, I'm calming down now. I'm so excited, and I'm so happy, and I'm so happy that you are here with me for this, because some of you have been with me for so long, and you know how much Sigma means to me. So this just means a lot to me, and thank you for being here. And without your support, without you watching my videos, without you being here and being interested in what I have to say, things like this wouldn't happen. So thank you for being here. I'm gonna get myself together and go make some dinner. But I do want to thank you so much for watching, for tuning into this video, whether you buy it or don't buy it. I just appreciate you being here and your support, and thank you for, you know, your lovely comments every day. They just make me just so happy. So thank you. And if you would like to hang out a little bit longer, or if you're new here, somehow you found this, hello, it's so nice to meet you. YouTube should be recommending some of my videos right over here for you to watch. But if it is your time to go, it's no problem at all. Thank you so much for hanging out as long as you did. And thank you again for being here. Mad love to you, and I'll see you in a video very, very soon.